Hi there, Autumn Bear here, talking about some great topics. Today's topic is dental health. So dental health is actually a really important aspect of our overall health and wellness. The health of the gums is actually related, in specifically the tissues of the gums, are related in a lot of ways to the tissues of the heart as well as the tissues of the uterus and or prostate. So if you find yourself with a lot of inflammation, various different dental diseases, dental decay, all those types of things, there's other aspects of inflammation that's also happening on the internal aspects of the body. So in a lot of ways, the gums themselves, the channel that goes up through the gums is specifically the stomach channel. In the stomach channel, you can really tell if there's some sort of stomach heat. There's some heat that's causing inflammation. If when you brush your teeth, you actually have bleeding of the gums. That heat component is not necessarily great. We do need some heat for digestion, but overall stomach heat can actually burn up the tissue and can really cause a lot of gum decay and recession of gums. So one way that we really want to look at helping that is you want to really consider doing preventative care when it comes to your dental care. You can have your teeth cleaned every 6 to 8 weeks if you have lots of inflammation. If you find that you have a lot of uterine disease or other different aspects of heart disease, you also might want to have preventative care by having your gums cleaned on a regular basis, because that really does help reduce the overall inflammation of the body in all the different tissues. And other ways that we want to reduce heat, specifically stomach heat, coffee can cause a lot of stomach heat, and specifically heat that rises and can cause a lot of gum and tooth decay. So coffee is one of the things that you want to start to eliminate first when you have a lot of gum decay. I also recommend rinsing with things like salt water. Salt in particular has a way of softening tissues in general. It also helps a lot of tissue regenerate. So it's a nice way to kind of help your gum health by swishing with salt. There's a lot of talk right now about using different oils to swish in your mouth. Everybody talks about everything from sesame oil to olive oil to coconut oil. And I actually consulted a dental physician who also is an acupuncturist recently about this, and she says that unfortunately with oils, because of the heat in our mouth, can actually become acrid very quickly and they spoil. So what's happening is you're causing that oil to heat up, you're putting it and depositing it in various different aspects of the gums, and that's actually causing a proliferation of various different types of bacteria. So it may not actually be a very wise choice in terms of helping the gums to heal and reduce inflammation. Obviously you want to have regular brushing and flossing. That's super important. But reducing the amount of heat that we have in our system to reduce the amount of inflammation in our gums. And also taking care of the kidneys. The kidneys are related to teeth themselves, so making sure you're eating plenty of seafood, and especially your sea vegetables, your seaweeds, and you can add things to cool the system down by adding things in like chlorella and spirulina, which are really great for cooling inflammation and helping to reduce that gum decay and tooth decay sometime down the road.